everyone, how are you? Today's my supper is cream pasta with veggies. Ingredients: spaghetti 150 gram, water 1000 milliliter, salt tablespoon 1, Chinese cabbage 150 gram, bean sprouts 200 gram, onion 50 gram, bacon 10 gram, garlic a few pieces, olive oil properly. Seasonings: cream 50 milliliter, Consomme tablespoon 1, water 50 milliliter, salt and pepper properly. How to cook it? 1. Boil water 1 liter in a pan. 2. Add salt tablespoon 1 into the pan. 3. Boil spaghetti 150 gram in the pan. 4. Add veggies into the pan and boil them with spaghetti. 5. Drain off the hot water after boiling spaghetti and veggies well. 6. Add olive oil, garlic and bacon into the pan. 7. Boil spaghetti with veggies and the above 6. 8. Add water 50 gram, then boil them with salt and pepper properly. That's all for my cooking this evening. Now boiling spaghetti with water. Heat mild. Okay. Add veggies: Chinese cabbage, onion, bean sprouts, veggies, 1 mile, 1 up. Okay, ready. Turn off the gas and then drain off the hot water. Add olive oil. Turn on the gas. Add garlic, several pieces. This is consomme. and bacon. Add salt and pepper properly. Turn off the gas. Drain my supper. Cream pasta is completed. It's time to eat. Bon appetit. Itadakimasu.